Hey guys, so today is all about factoring. You see my dog's head in the corner. Hi Hudson! There you see it. So I love factoring. Factoring is my favorite thing. So first video about factoring, there's two different ways of factoring. One I call baby way, and second I call semi-baby way. It's like baby and toddler. All right, let's get going. So here is our first way. So factoring, this is the baby way. So the baby way means that you are doing distributive property backwards. So you're going to look at your numbers first, your constant, and you want to find the greatest common factor. Remember, let's bring it back. Greatest common factor here is 12, 6, and 2 is 2. Now you have to look at your variables. Now with your variables, boys and girls, you want to take the exponent of their variable that is the lowest term exponent, because otherwise we're going to have negative exponents, and with a negative exponent means fractions, and hate fraction. So here we have j to the first, j squared, j squared. So it's just going to be j to the first. Here we have k squared, k, and k squared. So it's just k. Now, divide. Just like think of the opposite of distributive where you multiply. Now we have to do the reverse as division. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now remember, with your exponents, you subtract them. So j minus j, they go bye-bye. So k squared over k is just k. Plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. J2 over J1 is just J, and K, they cancel out. And the last one, 2 divided by 2 is 1. And J squared over J is just J, and K squared over K is just K. So remember, we are subtracting with our exponents. Now the second one is called factoring by grouping. Now this is basically you are taking two parts of your expression, because they're not really equations, they're expressions. And you are trying to get something that is in common with both of them and factor it. So with this, it's usually split up first, second. So you take your first one, xy minus 7x. What is common between both of them is that x. So we're going to pull out the x and divide. So xy divided by x is y. And 7x divided by x is just minus 7. Plus, here, look at what we have in common here. 7y minus 49. GCF is just 7. 49 doesn't have a y. So 7y divided by 7 is just y minus 49 divided by 7 is just 7. Now here you see we have y minus 7 and y minus 7. So it's like double factoring. It's like inception. So you are going to take out that y minus 7, and we have left is x plus 7. That is factoring by grouping, boys and girls. Pretty basic, pretty simple, but you have to be able to determine where. So you're not going to use this as much as you would like. All right? See ya.